Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. Today we're going to look at the King KX99 Handheld airband transceiver and repairing the bare knobs that are on the top of it. So stay tuned. We would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content. Now, I've had my KX99 since 1992. And the rubber that goes on the squelch and the volume knob had dry rotted and broken off years ago, and I've been just using it with the bare knobs, which are kind of slippery. There is a little indent, but not much to work on. So what I did was I had Shop Monkey pull me some pipe nipples that come on the various hoses that we order, and I trimmed them, cut them off with a razor knife. I should have used a sharper one, but as you'll see, what I ended up getting were a couple of rings, a red ring and a black ring. They both could have been red, they both could have been black. And you just cut that, and that slides over the knob with a force fit, just enough so that now you can grab that plastic and turn it. It gives you a slightly bigger rubber knob. It's not as nice as the originals that came with the KX99, but then again, you can't call King up and get them anymore. They don't make the KX99. You can find them used on eBay. But anyway, there are the pipe nipples that we cut off, and that's all you have to do with them to put them on. Once you get them on the knobs, then they have a nice feel to them. And what I did was I trimmed them off as smooth as I could, but I still pushed the rough edge down to the bottom. So there you go. That's what they look like. There's the red one on the squelch and the black one on the volume. And the knobs come right out. They do have an indent when they go in to lock them into a position. But there's a quick fix for your KX99s if your rubber has dry rotted over the years like mine had done. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's not a very fantastic video for you, but here, just a little something you do to keep all your stuff for your airplane up and running. Hope you found all this useful and informative, and like to thank you for watching this video, and have a great day flying your Grumman. And there's a little close-up shot of the finished product. Sorry for the dust.